You want to sell in person and online seamlessly? Shopify POS point of sale system lets you manage sales, inventory, and customers all in one place. Whether you are a store owner, pop-up seller, or a side hustler, this tutorial will help you on how to set up Shopify POS system and boost your sales. Stick around. I'll also share a special discount link in the description. What is Shopify POS system? Shopify POS is the offline and online sales system that syncs with your Shopify store. Key features include in-person payments, card, cash, mobile wallets, etc. Inventory sync, no more overselling. You can sync all your inventory in one platform, that is from your online shop to your physical brick and mortar business. Customer profiles, you can track purchases across all channels. There is also hardware options where you can get Shopify's own card readers, barcode scanners, and many more hardware for a point of sale system. Let's get your point of sale system running in 3 steps. Enable point of sale in Shopify admin. Go to sales, POS, and activate. Download the Shopify POS app or either on Android or iOS. Connect hardware, optional but recommended, card readers, Shopify tape and chip, WisePad, etc. You can also then purchase your barcode scanner for quick checkout. Advanced features of Shopify POS include customer profiles. You can track order history, loyalty points, and many other things. Staff management, you can assign roles and permissions. Offline mode, sales sync when you are back online. Analytics, you can check top selling products and peak sale hours. Why Shopify point of sale system? Compared to Square or Clover, Shopify point of sale wins because it's seamless online plus offline, no transaction fees with Shopify payments, best for growing brands. Want to try it? You can use the following link in this, which is crazyclicks.co.za/Shopify, or you can use a link in description to get a free trial. If you use a link in the description, you will not get charged more, but you will receive a free trial. That free trial will go for a certain number of days. Then you only pay $1 while you're trying it. Moreover, if you like it so far, please consider subscribing. My biggest motivation to offer these tips is for you to subscribe. That will go a long way in motivating me. Also, if you use a link in description to order Shopify POS system, I will get a small commission. That goes a long way to motivate me and improve this channel so that I can help as many people as possible. Please don't hesitate to share, follow, like, and also, guess what? It is free of charge to you. That's it. I hope you are ready to sell anywhere with Shopify point of sale. If this helped, as I said before, like and subscribe and follow for more of e-commerce tips. Don't forget to grab your exclusive discount via the link in description. Lest I forget, let me turn on to our sponsor for today. The sponsor for today is YouPerfect. They are selling quite amazing screens and monitors. Don't hesitate to grab yours. And also, if you use link in description, you'll get a very favorable discount, which doesn't add to your own cost. Please do check them. They have amazing monitors.